back to Cotton Creations. So today what I have in store for you is a fun cupcake pancake, also known as funfetti pancakes, but of course they're vegan. And one thing that I really loved that IHOP came out with was the cupcake pancakes. So I have been on a journey to create the best vegan cupcake pancake recipe, and I finally settled on this one. It is thebomb.com and your kids will love them, you will love them, the whole family will love them. Like, these pancakes are amazing, like, oh my gosh. So if you want to get the deets on how to make these funfetti cupcake pancakes, please stay tuned.
So just as we did in my previous vegan pancake video, we're going to mix together all of our liquids, the melted butter, milk, and vanilla. And then we're going to add the dry ingredients to the liquids. So first add the flour, then the baking powder, sugar, and salt. And then you want to whisk that together very well until the batter is very smooth. If it's a little too thick, you can go back in and add a little milk to thin it out. When your pan is nice and hot, go ahead and add some oil or some cooking spray. Pour your batter in, and then you want to add some sprinkles. So what you want to do is just go ahead and cook this side until it's golden brown, and then flip it over, cook the other side until it's golden brown. And continue to cook your batter in the same fashion that we did this pancake until all your batter is gone. And now let's do our frosting. So what you want to do is mix together some powdered sugar and a couple drops of cool or cold water and mix it very well. If it's not thick enough, you can always go back and add some more powdered sugar, but you don't need very much water at all. So then you can go ahead and just drizzle that frosting all over your pancakes, and then you want to go ahead and just top it off with some more sprinkles, and then you can enjoy.
Like I said, they're super easy. They are very close to my original regular vegan pancakes. However, we add a few more elements just to boost them up so that they become funfetti pancakes. So of course, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on all the goodness happening at Cotton Creations. And drop me a comment below. Let me know what you guys think when you try out this recipe. Like, I really need to know what you guys think because it is so good. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in.